G'day friends. So today I'm making a new idea for a bearing for the center hinge. Now the old ones, I fixed it a couple of years ago now. Used bearings before. One lasted the time, the other one just totally flattened out, completely, well not completely, started to smooth off the edge of one. So what I've done, because you can see that's rotates there, that's stainless piping, then stainless piping over top of that. So there's two ways that they can turn. I did it on both. The important thing is you've got to have it flat, so that with this here, you've got to have it flat, because if it's any taller than that, it'll get stuck. In the part where the door actually closes, it gets stuck, so it can't be taller than that part there. But what I did is I bought piping online. So you got 6x8 is the smaller one, and then 8x10 is the bigger one. And then I just polished off a little bit because see how that's a bit tight. So what I did was just got my grinder and just polished off a little bit, just to make it a little bit smoother. Maybe bring it down, you know, not even a quarter of a mil, just a polish, so the tube spun together freely. And we're going to give that a go. So stainless should outlast anything, one would hope. This bearing here is still good, so we'll give it a go, and we'll just, you know, hopefully that's the fix. Now I know that not being nylon, it's probably going to be noisy as it rolls, but that's alright as long as the door functions properly every time. Okay, so to put this door back in, pretty much the same way you remove it. So I'm first going to get the top hinge up here, and then I'll slide that one into it to give a bit of stability, but it's not going to be in yet because I need to get the bottom hinge on first. So this one is here. I'm going to slide that into there and then bring it forward a little bit. Hold that in place for me. This bottom hinge in. Just the one there. Now I need to tighten that other hinge from the inside. Now if you've got two people, this job is a lot easier. I'll just give you a look, so it doesn't sound too bad. Shuts like it should. So if you don't shut it hard enough, it still does that. I don't know why they didn't make it like that in the first place. I'll give it a bit of a good close. There you go. I'm happy with that. Let's see how long that lasts.